Welcome, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Ballroom Feed. This is our YouTube channel where we offer you supplemental content on your dance learning journey. So here we have 4 options for you. We have wedding stuff, which is all the stuff we have up currently, but we're going to have tons of stuff up for you soon. That includes club, which is salsa, bachata, all that stuff. And then we got some social and also competitive ballroom for you to come. So don't leave us if you haven't found what you're looking for. We're going to have tons of stuff for you. So all the stuff below on our YouTube page is completely free, of course, so be sure to check all of that out. And we also have an awesome section on our website called Ballroom Feed Pro, which Chris is going to tell you all about.
Yes, if you go to ballroomfeed.com, there's a section Ballroom Feed Pro. We have a ton of extra supplemental content at only $5 a month. And it's extended versions of the syllabus for all the patterns. Right now, just the wedding series, Foxy, Rumba, and V-Waltz.
Basically, we have all the stuff for you somewhere, whether it's here or on our website. So be sure to check out all the venues. And we're here at the beautiful Crystal Ballroom Dance Studios. And we're so happy to be with you and that you're with us today. So check out all of our social media if you're interested. All right, see you soon.